Okay, let's see. All right. To start, cái này bắn tao á. Cái này nó still tiền, okay? I still got this much to go because cũng không có cho cũng chỉ nhẹ thua bao nhiêu ta nè. But này nó ý thấy xế okay? So, của hỏi của tiền nó sao? Because this is the actual design that I want and I actually like it. Logan, quiet. And so I'm gonna tell you that just make sure that you have enough of spacing, which I didn't allow enough on the side because to có muốn này chỉ có on đủ luôn nó đó nè, chỉ có những đi ý không đâu mình chỉ trái bây giờ có họ chỉ đi thầu chỉ được cut through là đâu có đại ban đó nè. But if you do have a sewing machine, zigzag it so that way cho số nó rất chặt nè. Or có số tay sợi mà có số tay sợi just go in and out easiest for it. Okay. I am doing this on my camera and it's sitting up there and hopefully I can do a zoom in so you guys can see. But before có bị này tao là hỏi này shade whatever ban đầu that you want it to be in the center of cái này tao. This is how wide I didn't really start and then sew and then cut my fabric. I knew that I wanted my fabric to be this wide. So cô đi chia ra and then cô买了妈我就cô design cô nhận được trong giá okay. So first off, I knew that I wanted this type of because I wanted to make it easy, like an easy bundle for myself, you know. Cô chỉ bảo cô order nó mua là or nah or what, but I'm just doing it because I'm like you know, I'm working at home, so that's why I'm doing it. So first of all, you want to see cái shade or cái tao that how big you want it, and then you're just gonna fold it in half. And you want, as you guys can see, this is I left a lot up here, which I shouldn't. Maybe I should have just left like maybe but I just started right in the middle down here. So what I did was I always fold my fabric and then I would know where my center is and I'll just start. So let me zoom in. So hopefully I could get a clear shot of all right. Oh, I'm so sorry, you guys. But it is on a stand, okay? So, let me try to center it. Okay, so I started out with that. I wanted to make a point and then work my way. So what I did was I did one here and then three. And then go on basically by down, and so I just did that. I did go okay, so it's like 10 and 10 going that way, 10 coming this way. Okay, so it's like 3 and then you just count down 3 again using the last one that you made. So you can show the okay. So same thing with this, okay. And then on the edge it'll come out. I made it come out to a point like this, and I just did the 3 point, okay. And then on the inside, the pink, I did the same exact thing. It's just like opposite, and it's just going in and out, in and out. And then I did the blue, and then my triangles and my center. And this is the orange. Then my pink and my green are the same exact colors as these. And then my blue is the same exact blue like this. But this one out here is not orange. It's actually red. Okay. And then go on the outside, to see orange. See yellow. I'm sorry. Yellow. Okay. And then let's see if I can get it to go to this one. All right. And then from here to here. Okay, I counted from here. And let's see if I can see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 space. Okay, so let me just double check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 space starting from the outside of Lu triangle. No, okay. So on the outside, I want it to match up like that. Okay, and then I started this triangle, and then I did these. Okay, so these are pretty similar. I mean, like, you guys should already know how to do these. These are like the easiest pandao that and then let me see if I can zoom out. I'm so sorry, you guys. This is just my camera and all right, so I have the green going in the center, and then I have the pink ones running on the outside, okay? And it's the same, similar concept, all right? And what I did in order to even start these pink ones is from where the center is at, where the last one ends right here. Cho ilu si ping luôn đó okay? Vậy cũng cho ilu si ping là vậy cũng mà lấy khó mua đồ tao nó vậy cũng mà lấy, you know, just spaced it 1, 2, and then I went down. I did the pink right here, and then the pink, and it's all just spaced out with 3 going up, and then just the center one. These 2 are actually just skip 1, and then go mali or go to see pink no sima. Okay, it's the same thing. Go lu, and then the center is actually like I did this middle one different. I just did like a diamond or box, however you want to say it, and then I ran it with the yellow and the inside, and these are actually oranges too. Okay, and then I ran do it down. I just ran it on the outside, so. Hopefully you guys are able to see it. But let's see, my battery is dying, so I don't really know how to tell you guys. I wish that you guys were a little bit closer to me so you guys can come over, or I can come over and, you know, just kind of show you step by step, or how to even get started, because I know the younger generations, I just want it to, you know, for the younger generations to just keep pandao alive and, you know, do hand ones. I'm not against the machine ones, but hey, it's beautiful. It's made by your hand, and it's a lot of work, but here it is.